Hey everyone, just want to go ahead and welcome you to the next video here. In this video, we're going to be covering another solo miner that I got from Mineshop.eu. So this is a very special thank you to them for sending me this little guy here, as well as the Nerd Axe. I love solo miners. They are fantastic little devices to help decentralize and to play the lottery when it comes to Bitcoin. So please sit back and enjoy this little video. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in a second. Hey everyone, check it out. I got the new little miner from Mineshop.eu plugged in for the first time, and we've got to go ahead and get this guy set up. If you guys are looking for one of these guys, please use my referral link down in the discount code. You guys can pick it up. They're not very expensive, and you get about a kilohash of hash power from this, as well as some other specs. So we're going to see what it all looks like here in a second. This is actually the Mineshop NM-TV 154. It's an ESP32 solo Bitcoin lottery miner. And what I've already done so far is I did look up this SSID that's right there. And I pulled it up on my cell phone, and this is what it looks like right here. So up here at the very top, I have to put my Wi-Fi password in. I haven't done that yet, but then everything else down here is where all the pool information is going to be set. So I'm going to go ahead and get my pool information, put it in there, and set up the Wi-Fi, and then we'll see what it looks like on the actual screen itself here. So if you guys give me a second, I'll be right back, and we'll get this guy hashing away. Alright guys, so I went ahead and got everything all set up here so you can see my pool information here, password, my wallet address, and my backup pool. I just went straight to CKPool.org and all this other stuff. So once everything is installed in here, or programmed in there, we're going to go ahead and hit save, and let's see if it works. So looks like it's going, it says config at the bottom down there, so let's see what happens. She should reboot, and if it's successful, we'll see it actually load in. So you guys can see what it's saying across the bottom down there. Looks like we are going to be successful. And there we go, guys. She's up and running. It's pretty cool. And even the time is right on there. Look at that. All right, guys. So here we are inside my computer itself. First thing I got us on here is my CK Solo Pool website, so we can actually take a look to see if the miner shows up on here yet. I'm going to assume probably not, because I do know that it takes a little bit of time for it to go ahead and hit. So here you get a chance to see all the little miners that I do have on the Solo CKPool. Canon Avalon Nanos on there. One's a 3 and the other one's a 3S. I got my BitAxe 601, my Nerd Axe that I got from Mineshop.eu, as well as my original BitAxe. So these are all the ones that are on here, and here in a minute we should see this little solo miner pop up as well. But for right now, what I wanted to do is I wanted to go ahead and come over here so that we guys could actually see. All right, so this is the Mineshop.eu's website. I went ahead and I pulled up their entire inventory just to be able to find this little guy, because if you try to go through and try to find it through the little drop down stuff, it's sort of hard. So I just click on shop and I just let it pull everything up. But let's go ahead and take a look at what this little guy pulls and everything else like that. So this guy does plug into the back of your computer, and that's how it gets its power. It's basically a slightly more powerful USB style miner. This one does pull roughly right around 5 watts, and it does pull just over 1,000 kilohash. So it's not terrible, but once again, if you're expecting to use this guy and mine a lot of Bitcoin, or you think you're going to hit a solo block with this, it's not really going to be possible. I mean, it's possible in the same way that hitting the lottery is, and that's basically what this is. So every 10 minutes, this little guy does get a chance to try and hit a solo block, and hopefully this little guy will. I've got faith that all these little solar miners that I have will be beneficial, and they will hit a block for me. But it's a fun little toy to go ahead and get. And honestly, for the actual value, let's go and switch this over to the US dollar, because it is in the euro or the pound. So it's roughly $30 for this guy. Are you going to make your money back on this? I guess if you want to try to full mine with it, you could, but you're not going to really make a lot from it. But it is a nice little toy to have to play with to help decentralize the Bitcoin network as a whole. But yeah, with that being said, I'm really excited to finally get this guy up and running. I do want to say thank you to Mineshop.eu for sending me this, as well as the Nerd Axe that I got from them a few weeks ago. These both came in at the same time. This is just the first time I've had a chance to try to get this guy set up. So if you guys have any questions, feel free to let me know down in the comments below. Aside from that, please like, comment, share, subscribe. If you guys are interested in getting any kind of crypto equipment, please use my referral links down in the description below. They will help the channel out, and I can also save you some money. Unfortunately, something that this small, my discount code won't work on it. However, for some of the bigger ones, it will. So with that being said, I want to say I appreciate you guys for sticking in the video, watching me to the end, and I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Peace out.